Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy or Buy, where we put your favorite gadgets head to head so you can pick the perfect one for your budget and lifestyle. Today we are diving into the battle of the Bluetooth titans, the JBL Charge 5 Ultimate Ears Boom 3 and Sony SRS XB33. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices yourself. Design and build. The JBL Charge 5 packs are rugged waterproof IP67 rating, perfect for poolside parties or camping trips. It even doubles as a power bank, letting you charge your phone on the go. The Boom 3 from Ultimate Ears takes things lighter, it's compact, float on water and has the signature 360-degree sound design. Meanwhile, the Sony SRS XB33 goes bold with built-in LED lights, dust-proof casing and that iconic extra bass mode. So style-wise JBL feels tough, UE looks trendy and Sony brings the party vibes. Sound performance. When it comes to sound quality, here's where they truly differ. The JBL Charge 5 delivers a rich, balanced sound, punchy bass and clear vocals, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The Boom 3 offers a more immersive 360-degree audio experience, though it's slightly softer on the low end. If you want deep thumping bass, the Sony XB33 wins hands down with its X-Balance speakers and multiple sound modes. In short, JBL is balanced, UE is special and Sony is all about bass and energy. Battery and features. Battery life is another key factor. The Charge 5 lasts up to 20 hours and doubles as a power bank. The Boom 3 runs around 15 hours, but its magic buttons lets you skip tracks easily and even float it in water. Sony XB33 promises up to 24 hours in ideal conditions and lets you sync multiple speakers with Party Connect. Plus, that lightning features can sync to your music, making it a hit for night gatherings. Price and budget. Now let's talk price in Pakistan. The JBL Charge 5 sits around Rs 39,000 to 41,000, while the Boom 3 hovers near $100 to $150 USD, and the Sony XB33 ranges between $120 to $160 depending on the location. All the buy links are in the description, so be sure to check your local Amazon listing for real-time prices. Outros. So which ones you pick? JBL Charge 5 for all-round durability and battery power, Boom 3 for style and portability, Sony XB33 for lightning bass and party mode. Drop your favorite in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more weekly gadget face off.